Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am hopping on to record this video. This is for the August 2024 Apothecary at Home unboxing. So I have already put the booklet that comes in the box along with the monographs into my little notebook here. I got this on Amazon, which, I'm reluctant to get anything from Amazon lately, but unfortunately, this is a very handy notebook, and it's just perfect for the size of the booklet. I believe it's an 8.5 by 10, possibly. Anyway, so here is the booklet for herbal first aid. I'm all tongue-tied today. As you can see in this box, we've got calendula, thyme, and then there's another herb in here. Project ideas, tincture recipe, infused oil recipe, salve recipe, bonus recipes, and then video resources and study checklist. So the booklet has lots of valuable information. There's a journal prompt for your studies as part of the herbalism course. There's herbal actions for first aid. It talks about anti-inflammatories, astringents, hemostats, antivirals, demulcents. So different herbs that are within each of those categories, like anti-inflammatories would be calendula, chamomile, ginger, yarrow, elderberry, garlic, willow, licorice, and turmeric. Astringents, we have calendula, plantain, red raspberry, peppermint, and so on. So here's the calendula monograph that comes in there. The starter monograph with the lovely hand-painted image by the box creator's mother, Shannon O'Brien's mother. The thyme starter monograph and the hand-painted image. And then we have here shepherd's purse. But we have to create our own monographs for that. But we do get the lovely hand-painted image. And then all the different project ideas. So okay. Oh, and then there's September. So we'll get to that one next. Meanwhile, contents of August box. These are biodegradable peanuts. They just dissolve in water, so nothing to worry about there. This came with a pain relief tea. It is kava kava root, white willow bark, and organic hibiscus. It came with a couple of jars for the projects. Some wax. This is some beeswax for one of the projects. We also got a little Airy Fairy Apothecary Lovely Lips lip balm. Aw. Let's see. Okay. Then we have some calendula seeds. And we have some labels. These are always very useful. We have 2 ounces of thyme. We have 1 ounce of shepherd's purse. We have a couple of tins. And some 2 ounces of calendula. And as always, the health disclaimer. So really quickly, I went back to the booklet because I wanted to show you all how these kits are used. So basically, with this herbal infused oil recipe, we take a 4-ounce glass jar right here, which this comes with. You take, grind the herbs in a food processor. So you're going to fill the jar 3/4 of the way with your choice of dried herbs. In this case, let's see, 1-to-1 blend of lavender and chamomile. Or you could use, for example, calendula and make a calendula oil, which would be really good for the skin. You could do, so 2 ounces of ground calendula to 2 ounces of jojoba oil, for example, to make yourself a calendula oil that would be really good for your skin, helps with rashes and things like that. So you just put that in the jar, give it a good shake. After 2 to 3 weeks, pour the maceration, which is the combination of the herbs and the oil, into the muslin cloth, which this actually comes with as well. I forgot to show that. And you strain it out, and then you can put that. These are also useful for storage of the oils, or you can put it in a dropper bottle. So just wanted to show you all an example of how these Apothecary at Home kits are used to help you advance your herbalism knowledge. It's like a lab class. It's really cool. I am enjoying it very much. If you're interested in doing something like this and learning more about herbalism, check the link in the description of this video for a discount code. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.